Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Backspace only deletes one letter on Windows 11 or 10. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up search, then go to settings. On settings you need to go to accessibility, then scroll down a bit until you see keyboard, then make sure this option is turned off. And if this option is turned off or you turn off and the problem persists, another step that you can do here, just write control panel. On control panel, look for keyboard. On keyboard, you need to look for speed and then repeat delay and repeat rate. Probably these sliders is quite low, so what you need to do here is to increase them. I like to use repeat delay is almost around 75%, and repeat rate is the fastest, right? And yeah, apply OK, and your problem should be fixed. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.